Hello everybody, just wanted to show you what I'm doing right now on the work truck. You can see, got some of the decals off, polished it up. Anyway, I wanted to work on investigating the front end. I knew that it would need some brakes because it made this grinding sound. You could see that one of the pads was metal to metal. Wanted to take it apart, make sure that everything was free, and to just even have a good look at the rest of the front end because I didn't really take a good look before when I was looking at it. I wasn't too concerned. Everything felt like it drove nice, no clunks or anything like that. But of course, I want to make sure that everything's 100%. So I've already gone and taken this brake apart. If I go the other side, I've just taken the wheel off. So you can have a look. This is the adapter for the dualies. So basically it's the same hub as if it was single wheels. And then when it's a dually, you just got this adapter that's bolted on to accept the dually style wheel. I've sprayed some penetrating oil on some of the suspension fasteners just to start getting them freed up if I need to take anything apart. Let's go look at the other side again. So as you can see, I've taken this one apart. Here, you can see how the rotor doesn't look quite as shiny on this side. Let's see. I will show you at the bottom. See, it's a little bit more of a machined look. Meanwhile, you can tell something's been going on here. I took the brake pad off, and you can see there's no lining left on it. Meanwhile, you can see this one here. There's the lining material on it, the actual brake pad material. So it definitely needs the pads, it needs the rotors, but a lot of times things can be sticking. I was wondering, is the caliper sticking? What else is going on? Are the slider pins sticking? Slider pins, fortunately, all came out really nice and easy. Could have been the pads were sticking in the carriers. Didn't really seem like they were seized. Anyway, I'll make sure the pistons push back in the caliper okay. As a side note, if you're ever doing brakes, don't hang them from the hoses. It's really hard on them. As you can see, I've got it just kind of propped up on the top now. Otherwise, I'll use some wire or something or a bungee cord to hold it up. The other thing I did was just start taking a look at the front end. I had a little bit of play side to side. I don't know if I can do this while holding the phone or not. You probably can't see it, but there's a little bit of play in the tie rod end there. So it's gonna need a new tie rod end. Looks like it should be easy to do. There's also something missing. So this here is the sway bar. The sway bar kind of just helps prevent some roll when going, here I'll do a little wider angle. Helps prevent roll when going left to right. So it kind of connects the left front and the right front wheels or the suspension together. So this would be connecting to the lower control arm. So if your vehicle starts to sway kind of to the one side, it kind of resists and pulls. But there is supposed to be a rod that goes from here down to where the hole is. It's missing. Fortunately, those are cheap and easy to do, so I'll get a set of those. I'll just take you over to the other side so you can take a look to see what they're supposed to be like. So this is a little more what it's supposed to look like. Not sure, I think it's missing the nut on the top. I haven't done these on this particular vehicle before, but I'm assuming at the top that's just a washer and that's not some kind of strange nut. But anyway, I will be getting a pair of those. You can see how here's a sway bar here, that connects both front sides of the suspension. Then we've got the little link rod that goes down with some bushings. So I'll get a pair of those on order as well. So that's a little bit of an update on the work truck right now. Sorry, it's kind of shaky. I'm just holding the phone in my hands. I also have some fun vlogging accessories that should be coming today, so I will have to show you guys that. Hopefully get some better video and better audio. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you later.